Today I find myself here in Rosebud West on the Mornington Peninsula. I've had an email from a fellow landscaper, Steve, whose bathroom's in need of a bit of a refresh. G'day, Steve. Dale, mate.
Pleasure to meet you.
I heard you got a bathroom that needs a bit of love.
Yes, we do. Come on through.
Let's have a look.
Here she is.
Okie doke. Yeah, she definitely needs a bit of a refresh.
Yeah, no, from seeing the bathroom, it's come up absolutely amazing. All the fittings that have been used, there's been no expense spared in there. Also, a huge thank you to Dale Vine for his contribution to this. It's, yeah, made Dad so happy.
Okay, so I've just been and had a look at the finished bathroom and wow, what a great little refresh at an affordable price. It really has brought this house back up into the 2020s. So a big thanks goes out again to the teams at Highgrove Bathrooms.